You might have seen wheelbarrows before, but you have not seen one quite like this. What is this?
This is our Pivotal Motion Tools ergonomically correct wheelbarrow. Set up so it dumps easy. It's good on the shoulders, back. We've shown it in several videos before in several shows. We're introducing it now into Home Depot. Lowe's as well online. Both Lowe's and Home Depot online are offering it now with free shipping.
That's awesome, especially since now we've seen this before, and you've actually made this area wider for individuals.
So,
and there's zero pinching, I know from personal experience.
Yes.
So it's very, there we go. And what is the website?
pivotalmotiontools.com.
And it's now going to be available at Lowe's and Home Depot. There we go.